I guess you can say we are all here for the same reason, right? Hey, welcome back. My name is Ari. For those of you who are not familiar with me, and for those who are, good to see you again. We can all say that we're here because we have a problem. Although I'm not proud of it, I will say that it was a good learning experience. CBD stands for compulsive buying disorder. What makes it worse is when you're an artist. Every time you go in the store, you see paintbrushes, paint, watercolors. Just makes you want to buy it. Can't leave it sitting there on the shelf. Cannot leave this sitting there on the shelf. But aside of all of that, I've suffered this disorder for many years. I mean, I purchased so much material, even buying or purchasing material that I already had home and still wanted it. I'm not saying it's easy. Okay, it's something that's really hard to get over. As an artist, our mind is constantly racing with new projects or new ideas or just wanting to experiment. I'm not proud to say that I have CBD as an artist, okay? I'm just saying I like to buy art material. But as an art community, we can come together and we can beat CBD. Will I ever stop buying art material? No. However, I have managed to map out a plan. Therefore, whenever I go into a store and I see something that I feel like I need or I feel like I want, make sure that I check my list of things that I just recently purchased and things that I already have at home. Another good thing to beat CBD is to actually go through your inventory that you currently have. Going through old stock or even freshly bought stock is a good way to figure out what you have on hand. This can not only save you time, but save you hundreds to even thousands of dollars. As we know, as an art community, art supplies is not cheap. I'm not saying that managing your CBD as an artist is going to be anywhere near easy. Also, doing this can also help you set aside a specific art budget. No more pulling out of your savings or your checkings just to buy something that you possibly already have at home. How often do we ask ourselves that question in the store? Do I really need this? How long will this last me? How many times will I use this after I actually buy it? These are all important questions you have to ask yourself before committing CBD. What I know now has helped me so much and is going to help me so much in the long run. Always open and eager to hear what you all have to say. So let me know some things down in the comments below on how you beat CBD, or what are some things that you've managed now that you can kind of get a grip on finances and figure out, okay, what art supplies do I need and what I don't need. And even if it's not even about art. All right, art community, until next time, I'll see you next video.